Okay, good day everyone. Today I want to guide you on how you can receive your purchase in your Odoo software. So once you have login. So once you log in, this is you locate your purchase. You click to locate your purchase, and once you locate your purchase, of course, this is what you see. You can see your previous orders and all of that, but for this we are using a purchase module to finish everything, and we use module to receive our purchase. We still use this module from our vendors, so that's what we are going to do. So first thing first, you raise a quotation, right? So you hit to raise a quotation, which is new, and from here, once you are done, you can be able to send by email, and you can be able to print as PDF. And again, what we are going to do is to select this our supplier. So this our and the receipt, this is my receipt number for that purchase. So when you come down, you can be able to add a product. Click on that list to select to add a product. I was able to buy Amstel Malt 2 cartons, right? And 2 cartons, that's 24 times 2, which is 48, right? 48 units. And of course, the unit price I was able to buy per one was 500 naira per one. So are you using tax? No, there was nothing like tax, so you remove the tax. Therefore, you add another product, and the other one I bought Hero. Yes, so I type, you can manually type so that you can bring. So you hit Hero, and this Hero I was able to get 2 cartons. That is 12 times 2, that is 24, right? So this is 24 units. And how much was I able to? It was 700 naira per bottle. So the system was tax inclusive? No. So now these are the two drinks I purchased, right? So, and this was the amount I spent on these purchase transactions. So the next thing I need to do, always make sure that what you have here tallies with your receipt, right? So once you are done, you come up, you can now confirm this order. You can see, you can now confirm this order. So now once you confirm the order, the Odoo will send this to the inventory module, meaning that people in charge of inventory, they are going to receive this product. But of course, if you are the only person using the system, you take care of the purchase and the inventory, then you can finish everything from the purchase. But then let me take you where that the product will display from the inventory, from the basic part. So when you locate your inventory, you can see it comes under receipt. Receipt here displays your purchase, right? That's what you can see. From here, you can select and receive your product from here. But not to bother you too much, let us just finish everything from the purchase app, right? So you go ahead and receive this product. And once you receive this product, you can be able to see that yes, the quantity that was demanded is exactly what you are receiving, right? So you can just go ahead and validate it. So yes, the system has validated it. So now it has sent, the inventory has collected. That means you have put it in your store already. So now the second part, now that is when you need to initiate your payment. You have to create a bill for this purchase transaction, right? So now the second part, you go back to your orders, locate purchase orders. So you can now see there is a bill waiting for us here. So we need to create a bill and register the payment. Therefore, you click. So from here, you can be able to see. You can see the receipt was this, but then there is no bill created. Therefore, you need to create a bill for it. You hit create a bill. Now, from the creating of bill is actually in the draft state. Therefore, you need to confirm this bill. But one more thing, for you to confirm this bill, you must put a bill date, right? So you select the bill date. Unlike me, I'm using the current date, so you can select whichever date you are using, right? So after that, you can now go ahead and confirm. So the system load, yes, is taking you to where you can be able to look at it. So you now register the payments. So the journal here is selling the bank, meaning the kind of payment. Were you able to use cash or bank payment? So that's how, for me, I use this for I use a bank, right? So the transaction was done through bank. That's why you select the bank, and this is how much you are paying. Let's assume you are not paying complete, it's 20,000. You just manually type the money here. That means you pay partially, but let's settle at once. So create payment. Boom, you can see your bill. This is your purchase. You have successfully recorded in your system, and you were able to pay for this product. So that is how to receive your product and register your payment in Odoo software. When you go back, you can be able to see that these two products are fully billed. You can click on it. You can click on it to see. Yes, you can click on it to see. So now let us go to our inventory and see whether this product has added. Now looking at these two products, we have Amstel Mall 48 and we have Hero 24. So when you locate your inventory, hit your inventory, then locate your product, then search that product. Unlike me, I think we have Amstel here. So let us look at the Amstel malls. So from the Amstel mall, you can be able to see, click on more, you can be able to see that these are the purchase. So you want to click to see how everything comes in. Yes, you have done 2 purchases, and this is the one we have done so far. From you can see everything. So this is how to actually track and see how every product is being properly received from your Odoo system. So thank you for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share to someone that is in need of it. I'll bring more tips like this. If you have any issue, drop it in the comment section. I always make sure